Breakfast time, one of my favorite meals of the day. And if we're being honest, we all have our favorites. Either McGriddle or a chicken biscuit or a ham biscuit. One of your favorites. Mine was Taco Bell, but they took it from me. My Taco Bell at 3 different locations, which the closest Taco Bell is like 45 minutes away, they all quit serving breakfast. So what we want to start with are hash browns. They have this. We're going to be using the. I'm coming up in this little circles. Sometimes you'll go to Taco Bell and you'll have a patty in your crunch wrap, your breakfast crunch wrap, or you'll go and you'll just have the cut up pieces of sausage mixed in with the egg on your crunch wrap. It's never the same consistency, but we all love it. And when I found the Chipotle creamy sauce from Taco Bell, I was like, well, you know what? We're gonna make a roll with it. I also got some avocado ranch just because. But everything we get good from Taco Bell, they take away. The breakfast, the tostadas they just had come out recently, those were like the greatest things ever. So that's what frustrates me. We're not going to be like Taco Bell where they clump it up in one corner so when you bite into it, it explodes on you. Our hash browns are finally done. So we're going to put our hash browns, or tater tots, whichever you want to call them, up there. We may have cooked our tortilla shell a smidge bit too long. And just like that, have a beautiful homemade simple breakfast. Look at that, right? Alright. Final review. Looks good. That works out. Taco Bell, you might have broke my heart, but I replaced you.